Hey, morning. Hope your day's going good, better than this gentleman. Poor guy. He's the tenant that lives above the store, right directly above the store. He was heading into work. He basically pulled out of here, did a U-turn. When he did, there was a loud bang and some crunching sounds. So he was trying to turn around and get back into his parking spot right here. Well, what happened was the lower ball joint separated from the control arm. And when it did that, the tire kicked out and pulled the axle right out of the transmission. So that vehicle's dead in the water right where it's at. Gotta try to grab I just called the owner, he's coming over. We're gonna probably grab a couple forklifts or a forklift and try to push the car out of the road. Get it up here so we can get it to the shop. All right, I'll explain more why I'm down here at the shop with the truck in a minute, after we get this gentleman taken care of. Replacing the solenoid for the tailgate, right here. Listen, nothing.
Back here.
It's open. It clicked back there, but tailgate has not released. That's why I'm replacing the solenoid right here. This right here. Because this is what controls the air.
So why don't you take... No.
I got the tailgate chain, so that's a good thing. But this is what I got to go through every day, every morning. On the first load, I'll hit the. It's unlocked, as you said. You heard it. You heard it right here.
Yeah.
But it takes forever for this thing to work.
But isn't this...
No, that's not. That is not supposed to spin, from my understanding.
Well, it is just an electrical solenoid.
Right. So that's why I'm.
It's just unbolt it and take it off.
Yeah. So I said this is gonna be a real easy fix today.
Better be.
I walked by the tailgate, thing unlocked. Good thing I got the chains on it. But I'm just looking at it right now. This is held on just by that fitting.
And the one above. In the middle. That one, there's two fittings back there. That's all that's holding it on. I mean, it doesn't need to be bolted on. It's
just right there.
now with three fittings on it.
So, wire tie, cut that wire tie, snip the wiring.
I'll leave all that and just do the one wire tie and the nut at the top.
This?
No, you've got, just take that one off and then unbolt that, and then those two. Or you're thinking of just taking that off. I couldn't get that to turn on the new one.
It's not supposed to turn, that's the thing. Undo that, disconnect this line,
Oh, that's a
disconnect
quick
that line, and then slide it over, rotate it off. Hopefully. Oh, here it goes. It's gonna go now. I'm hearing it starting to hiss air.
It's because you moved it around, Kev.
See? It shouldn't take that long to release.
No, you can have another second load by that time.
Yeah. So I gotta disconnect this air line anyways to let the air out.
Well,
I'm
just
gonna do this. No, the whole system. This is the supply line.
That's the supply line.
So I'm gonna have to undo that, disconnect this, let the air drain out while the air is draining out. Disconnect at least from this point here. I can leave that line up there.
Do that one last and leave it attached. Do all the others and you can, oh no, you can't, you need that fitting.
I need the fittings. Yeah.
I don't know if I have that size fitting. I might. It doesn't matter if you drain the system. I bought GPS trackers.
Okay.
Isaac's always wondering, where is Ron?
Ah, so you want me to put one in the...
What's taking so long? So I've got 3 DC powered trackers I'm going to put behind the dash somewhere.
Gonna get loud.
I don't hear anything.
Come on.
I hate those, but I love them.
Yeah. Things are great to a point.
I know, that's why I said I love them and I hate them. You need a wrench for that last one on the cylinder?
Or do I have to pull that damn piston off?
Well, thankfully it's just pins.
That's what I might have to do.
It'll make it easier because you need to work right here.
Right. Because these are all on swivels too, so that works out good, except for this one. The rest of these all swivel.
Is that one just a 90 going in?
Yeah, that's just a 90 going in, yeah.
Then you have to go down a little further so you can spin it. You can't spin it until that cylinder rod.
And the body's in the way.
Yeah.
So I think I'm gonna have to pull that ram off.
Yeah. It's just a couple of cotter pins.
Might go, thank you. Oh, I better shut the power off to that so I don't short nothing out.
Are you about to cut that?
I'm about ready to cut the power cord to it. Just watch yourself in case there's air still in the system.
Yep.
Okay, it's off. Oh, no. Now it is. Yeah, there's no more air in that.
No, it takes two hands to undo those cotter pins. I got you this pair.
Okay, we have mounted it, plugged it, connected the wires. Now it should be immediate instead of a delay. Okay, you ready? Let me shut this off actually, because I had no air pressure back here. Let's go with this. Fix that in a minute. Open.
That's too fast.
That's too fast, huh?
You gotta slow it down.
It's working the way it should. You know, if somebody built the warehouse with a 20-foot ceiling, it'd be all right.
I know. What were they thinking?
20-foot ceiling, I could put the body up all the way. They could probably stack pallets 4 or 5 tall.
Never. Do you mind if this wire gets chafed by this?
That's, again, it's gonna, this is a lot of stuff I'm writing on a list
Yeah.
to do this winter.
You might as well get a notebook.
Oh, as I said, a list. I didn't say how thick the list, how many pages the list was. It's just, I know I gotta, this is all just nitpick stuff.
Oh yeah, no.
You know exactly how it is with that thing over there. Just trying to make sure everything is mechanically sound before we go on to the minor things.
What's wrong?
It's leaking.
You need to cut the hose just a tiny bit?
Probably, yeah. I'm gonna have to cut it just a hair.
Well, don't cut it yet. I mean, take it off, but...
Yeah, no, I was gonna cut it, get it out before I...
Yeah. You ready? Flatten it. Get it round again. Get that in. There we go.
That's nice and quiet now.
Well, you had 3 of these, but now you have 2.
Oh, there's 3 right there.
Oh, right at your feet.
I'm not going on the truck to get it.
I got the other one, all right? This one's yours.
Yeah,
No, neither of us should be down there.
neither of us are skinny enough to get underneath there either. Kyle, you're fat. You're not fat, you're fluffy. I also wanted the chains on the tailgate in case I opened up the tailgate and it didn't smack the door. I mean, yeah, granted, I know you wouldn't mind in my insurance paying for a new door, but I would.
That.
I would mind. Oh, yeah. I would mind it if I would mind because my insurance rate would go up. I just paid my insurance.
You got a zip tie.
Well, I'm going to zip tie. Plus, I want to probably wire tie, electrical tape this.
Well, give me that box of connectors, and I'll go back and get you black tape.
That. I'm done with those. Done with
Yeah.
that.
Oh, that's hot. Ha!
Oh, hey,
Set it on my thumb.
that torch is on the warm side, Curtis. Whoopsie. Open it up, try to see how that works real quick. Yep, that's the way it should work. The last one, this was real hot. When it finally opened, I pulled it off.
Maybe I should go home at some point.
Oh, wife calling you? Texting you?
Oh, no, she knows. But it's 1 o'clock.
I said, yeah, I feel bad for your tenant. Yeah, his car. I said, it just, I heard it pop. And then the grinding noise. I'm like, that don't sound good. All right, now you'll be able to hear it and see it. Light goes out, it's closing. On is open. That's exactly the way it's supposed to work. Not hit the switch and it goes, I'll think about it. I put the chains on just so the tailgate didn't swing open and hit the door. He's already backed into the door once. 2 marks there, 2 marks there. That wasn't me. Yeah, I hit the switch several times while it was up, the body was up in the air. Now that it's down on the ground, or down on the frame, normal position, let's see if it will open and close like it should. When I open it, this will rotate forward. Oh, excuse me. It's open right now. So when I close it, it'll rotate backwards up in here. Working the way it should. That's a little loose. Yeah, I'm probably gonna have to replace these or rebuild these this winter. That pin is wore out. I'll see what I can do on that. But I'm gonna jump in the body here and finish soaking that floor down. I'll show you what I was talking about. Let me grab a ladder. I'll show you. This is what I was talking about. Look at this buildup on the floor. Right here is probably almost 3 inches thick. That's where I sprayed it yesterday. But it is still nasty in here. So I did mix up some more of the citrus and peanut oil. So I'm going to take that gallon and just spray it on the inside here, try to get this stuff to loosen up. So tomorrow, hauling hot top, it'll all come out. See this buildup right here on the tarp? Every once in a while it makes it stick. So let's just soak it down and get it to stop sticking. I do this a couple times a year. This is maintenance stuff you don't see that I normally do. We're just trying to show you what my weekend maintenance is with this truck, so you can help you understand why I do so much on it, because these things do take time. All right, that's it for my fun for the day. Go home, get this uploaded. I hope to see you guys tonight on the live stream. So at 8 p.m., not a.m., p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So please like, share, subscribe, comment, stay safe. I'll see you in the next one.